lockdown there, my nigga. That's right. Hey, they say you getting about 20 stacks of motherfucking show, right? And this your first album. Wow.
Hello?
Hello.
How you doing?
How's it going?
Who's this?
Dr. Phil.
Who?
Dr. Phil.
Dr. Phil?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's
How you doing,
okay.
Dr. Phil?
So how are you doing overall?
Who is this?
Dr. Phil.
Who?
Dr. Phil.
Okay, well, how about tell me someone's calling my phone calling my other Dr. Phil? What you gonna do for me?
Okay. Are you feeling good?
Huh?
Are you feeling good?
Yes, I feel great.
That's okay. Where are you from?
Huh?
Where are you from?
Can I help you with something?
Yeah.
What's that, sir?
This is going to be a changing day in your life.
Oh, yeah? How is that?
Well, let me ask you something. I want you to start living as a gay woman.
As a what?
I want you to start living as a gay woman.
I can't do it.
Whatever.
Thank you. Have a good day. I can't do that.
No.
Yeah.
Fair enough?
Sorry.
What'd I do?
Who is this?
Dr. Phil.
This is not Dr. Phil, dude. Oh my God.
Whatever. What are the things that you're most ashamed of?
Say again?
What are the things that you're most ashamed of?
What am I most ashamed of?
Yeah?
You're breaking up.
Okay. Are you having sex?
Hello?
Hello?
What can I do for you?
Are you having sex?
Yes.
Okay. How do you feel about not being trusted by your wife?
Okay, I don't have a wife.
That's okay.
I'm 21 years old.
You're bright-eyed and bushy-tailed.
Yes, sir. What can I do for you, Dr. Phil?
So you've been spending $20, $40, and $60 a week.
And what?
You can't change what you don't acknowledge. Are you avoiding reality?
No.
Yeah.
Get his number.
What is the problem?
No problem.
Yes. What the hell are you thinking?
You're wasting my minutes. What can I do for you?
What the hell are you thinking?
Who is
Dr. Phil, do you understand at all what I'm saying?
I think you got me mixed up with somebody else.
And I want you to start having a gay relationship.
I can't. Are you going to pay me?
Yes.
Much.
Tell me how that's a good deal for you.
Because I need some money. Hi.
Whatever.
Hello?
I don't believe that's true at all.
What I do?
You gotta grow up.
We're at a gas station.
Okay?
So I need some money.
That's a load of crap.
Who is this?
Dr. Phil,
This is not no Dr. Phil.
are you nuts?
Are you going to give me some money?
No.
No. I thought you were going to tell me I want a competition or something.
I just wanted to call and remind you, you don't matter.
Dr. Phil, aren't you supposed to be saying the other way around?
That's okay. What's your question?
Huh?
Hello.
Hello, Dr. Phil.
How's it going?
Doing
That's okay.
Well, I'm going to hang up now, okay?
What's your question?
Huh?
Are you mad?
No, I'm not mad.
That's okay. Quit being mad at me and just love me again. Hello.
DJ Barry B.
Yeah, Black Flag. It's the new religion. Versatile, what's up, homie? My black flag on my right wrist. My black flag on my head, bitch. Double H piece on my necklace. Got my hammer tucked. I'm on my G shit. This for my tattoo, bullet wound ducked up.